Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, let us solve this question. So we have t times t times t is equal to 1 over 8. And here, we have to solve for the value of t. So t is equal to question mark. Okay, now solution, we're given t times t times t is equal to 1 over 8. Now to do this, first we're going to multiply this. T times t times t is equal to t raised to power 3 is equal to, you have 1 over, now 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2 is 8. And this can also be written as 2 raised to power 3. Okay, so in place of 8, I can write down 2 raised to power 3. So 2 raised to power 3. Now with this, we have 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 1 also. If you have 1 can be written as 1 times 1 times 1. So 1 in 3 places is equal to 1 because 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So in place of 1, we can write down 1 raised to power 3. So 1 raised to power 3 all over 2 raised to power 3. With this, we can then introduce one of the rule of indices that if you have a raised to power c over b raised to power c, this equals a over b in brackets all power of c. Now bringing in this rule, right, this rule into this then becomes 2 raised to power 3 is equal to, you have in brackets 1 over 2 all raised to power 3. So with this, we can then move this to this other side of the equation such that we have 2 raised to power 3, then this then becomes minus in brackets 1 over 2 all raised to power 3 is equal to, here then becomes 0, right? Now looking at this, we have difference of 2 cubed. If you have a raised to power 3 minus b raised to power 3, this equals a minus b multiplied by a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now in this case, the value of a is t, while the value of b is 1 over 2, 1 over 2. So expanding this equation in this format, what are they going to have? We're going to have in brackets a is t, so t minus b is half minus half multiplied by a is t, so t squared, then plus a is t times b is half, so t times half is 1 over 2t, so plus b is half, so in bracket 1 over 2 all squared. All of this is equal to 0. Now we have expanded this equation. Okay, so we don't have in bracket t minus half multiplied by, let's clean here off, we have t squared, then plus t over 2, 1 times t is t over 2, plus 1 over 2 squared is 1 over 4, is all equal to 0. From this, right, this can be equal to 0 or this can be equal to 0. For the first one, t minus half is equal to 0, or we have it as t squared plus t over 2 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 0. From this equation, if we move minus half to this side, right, t is equal to plus half. And this is the first value for t. Okay, so with this, let's then get the other values of t from this quadratic equation. So we have t squared plus t over 2 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 0. Now the first thing is that we multiply the both sides of the equation, left and right, by 4. We're going to have 4 in brackets t squared plus t over 2 plus 1 over 4 is equal to 0 times 4. From here, 4 times t squared is 4t squared, then plus 4 times t over 2, 2 will divide 4, you're going to have 2, 2 times t is 2t, plus 4 will divide 4, you have 1, 1 is equal to 0 times 4 is 0. From here, what you then have is 4t squared plus 2t plus 1. To then solve for the value of t, we're going to make use of the quadratic formula. So t is then equal to, the formula is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. In this case, the value of a here is the coefficient of t squared, which is 4. The value of b is the coefficient of t, which is plus 2. And the value of c is the constant, which is 1. Now, in putting the value of a as 4, b as 2, and c as 1 into this formula, let us then solve for the value of t. So from here, we have it that c is equal to minus b is 2, so minus 2 plus or minus square root of b is 2, so 2 squared, then minus 4 times a is 4, 4 times c is 1, all over 2 times a is 4. So t is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4, minus 4 times 4 is 16, times 1 is 16, all over 2 times 4 is 8. So t is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16 is minus 12, all over 8. So t is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus root minus 12 can be written as root minus 1 times root 12, right, all over 8. So with this, let's clear off such that t is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus root minus 1 is I times root 12 can be written as root 4 times 3 all over 8. So t is then equal to minus 2 plus or minus I times root 4 is 2 times root 3 all over 8. From here, we have it that t is equal to, right, you can factorize out 2 from here. You have it as 2 in bracket minus 1 plus or minus I root 3, then all over 8. From here, 2 will divide 8, you have 4, such that t is then equal to 1 over 4 in bracket minus 1 plus or minus I root 3. And with this, we've gotten the value of t. So the other values of t, t2 and t3, so the other values of t2 is equal to, we have it as 1 over 4, then in bracket minus 1 plus I root 3, and t3 is equal to 1 over 4 in bracket minus 1 minus I root 3.